What's up, guys? It's your boy Young Beast. Today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to replace the wires for your spark plugs. So this place right here, how to replace this, okay? I'm going to show you guys how to do that. So, of course, you guys, you're going to need a new one. This one right here, you see it's messed up right here. It's pretty much broke. It's broken everything. No good. So, you can go to like AutoZone or somewhere and then get it. So, that's what I did, guys. I went to the store and I bought a brand new one. Now, when you get it, open it up and you can take it out. And now here's the brand new one here. Brand new one. And I gotta do wire it up. That's all I gotta do. So I'm gonna do that, guys. I'll be back in a second, okay? This new one here. That's how you do it. Get your negative and the positive. The white one's gonna be the positive, and then the black one always gonna be the negative. So you just wire it up like this, and put it inside there, and you should be good to go. So I'm gonna do that, guys. I'll be back in a second, okay? All right, guys. So we about to hook it up, okay? I'm gonna hook it up here, and hook it up here. So we do it going here, and then here, okay? Boom, and then boom here, okay? So, boom, boom, okay? Boom, boom. All right, so let's go ahead and do this. All right, once you guys hook it up together, make sure you got it in really good. Make sure you got it in really good, okay? Make sure you got it in really good, and then after that, you're gonna need some tape. So some black tape or anything like that. You need tape, okay? Get you some tape, and once you get the tape, then you're gonna put it around, okay? So go ahead and do that. Now I have the tape on there, guys. See here, and I got the tape on here. See, I got tape on here. Now it's good to go. Now I gotta do now is just pick it up and slap it inside of here, okay? This and slap it inside of here, and there you go, guys. Now it's good to go. It's brand new, good to go. And now it looks good, it looks amazing. And now it's ready to go. All of them are ready to go. And that's how you replace the wires for your spark plug, guys. If you guys are new to my channel, make sure you guys like the video, subscribe to the channel, help me hit my goal of 1,000 subscribers. Also check out my second channel down below, Power Smash. And guys, next time, until next time, it's your boy Young Beast. I'm out, guys. Thank you. Have a good time, guys.